If you're looking to decide between the X3 mop and the JOYMOOP, then this video is for you. I bought and tested the X3 mop and I was gifted the JOYMOOP, but let me show you the pros and cons of each of them and letting you know which one I think is best. As far as these mops go, I've been using them for quite some time now. The X3 mop has a 3-chamber device. You add clean water here, and then you twist this knob here to add the clean water to this middle reservoir. Now that there's clean water here, once you wring the mop itself, the dirty water gets added to this dirty chamber. Makes sense when it comes to actually cleaning your floors. And with the X3 mop, I also love how the handle is secured on top. The lid won't come off until you actually push this button. So if you're ever scared, like maybe this is filled with water and then you're holding it, it's not gonna fall on you. The mop itself is rectangular as well. And then you also have a pull knob over there to actually release the dirty water. So to me, this mop makes sense. Now, as far as the JOYMOOP has a 2-chamber mechanism. It says you have to add clean water here, and then this is where you dry your mop itself. But the thing with this, right, is that when you're drying the water, notice how the water gets wringed into the clean water here. So basically the dirty water gets wringed back into here. I'm not sure if the dirt maybe is being captured here and that's the mechanism behind it. I'm not a fan of actually wringing the water back into the clean water itself, but everything about this mop feels great. It feels secure. I honestly do love wringing this one a lot more than I like wringing this one, just because it feels a lot more like smooth. But even so, as you can see, the water's wringing into the clean water, even though this is supposed to be the dry side. To me, this design doesn't make sense, but maybe I'm using incorrectly, or maybe only the physical debris is supposed to be being placed here, and then the dirty water or the clean water is supposed to be placed here. But aside from that though, as far as which one I think is the best, I do gotta give it to the X3 mop, just because the 3-chamber mechanism makes a lot more sense. The JOYMOOP, it still feels really good. I have already accepted that mopping floors, you're not gonna have a clean mop after one use. You really aren't. After it touches the floor, the only way to clean it is just throwing it into the laundry. But even so, X3 mop, the chambers just make more sense. Dirty water goes into here, clean water goes into there, and it's just separated, okay? This mop just makes a lot more sense than this 2-chamber over here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know down below.